as soon as I finish drinking this water, I'm gonna open up the spicy dew.
Stop poking it with your nose and just eat it, okay?
If I get 2,000 followers by the end of the year, yeah, I'm going to make an OnlyFans.
What are you at now?
100. Woo! First game, yeah! 2 in a row, part 2, but in reverse. Let's go drop house.
Drop house has become much more popular, by the way. People are starting to discover it.
Your TV volume is loud.
Oh, sorry. Let's go. Gold Cooper carbine.
One of the things I f***ing hate. Let's say I open a crate and it has a perk in it. My friend will just take that perk.
Oh yeah, that's annoying. I feel like if you open it, that's yours. Unless you already have it, then don't fucking touch it, you know?
Right.
I agree with you there. That's annoying.
Right. I will rage quit.
I honestly wouldn't play with that person anymore. I gotta start hip firing more, dude. I was watching a Jax Frags video earlier, and he was killing it, and he was just hip firing, like, almost half the time he was close range. People on us? I hear people, like, above me. Hear that?
Oh, yeah, I do. Do you have a cluster or something?
I do have a cluster. You want me to cluster us?
Yeah, do it.
Allied cluster strike arriving.
I don't think it'll hit them, because they're probably inside,
Yeah,
but it's worth a shot.
Yeah, probably.
You going up to keg?
Yeah.
Time to cover your tracks. There's an enemy team.
These ladders are nearly impossible.
Oh my god, okay.
Climb.
I'm so glad you said that. The wooden ladders, they're trash, yes. They're so bad.
Yeah, they're like nearly impossible to climb.
I glitch out when I'm trying to climb them for some reason. There are people on this roof. Where are you?
Bet.
I'm gonna climb. I'm gonna do this little parkour.
I'm climbing the roof.
Oh yeah, I'm doing the little like parkour way up. I saw them on the UAV, so they might be here still. They might not be. Alright, I'm on the roof now, and I don't see anyone. Oh, people.
Yeah, I heard glass.
This came from like down that way somewhere.
Oh, by the by.
In there? How? Oh, I'm getting shot at from somewhere else.
Any plates on you?
No. I'm gonna search for some real quick. Been hit by some sort of semi-auto something.
Got them.
Audio.
Nice.
Right here.
Oh, bye.
Good shit, bro. Nice. Oh, different squad.
Yeah.
Oh, completely different squad. Completely different.
If you go down now, the operation is over. Watch your six.
He just snuck up behind me. He was actually kind of trashed.
Land up by. Land on the. Okay, never mind.
You want me to land Lodi?
I would.
Someone's coming right now.
I put a claymore on it. Yeah, I see him.
Damn it! I got one down. They're rezzing now. On my pit, on it. They're still rezzing. They just rezzed. Yo, nice dual-wield guns. He's self?
We're clear. All in the safe zone.
Did you kill them?
No.
No, they're running this way. They're over here now. They ran. I'm gonna try to land on my dead body and get my stuff back. Sweet, they didn't take any of it.
Get over here. I have a plate box. Do you need it?
UAV
Oh, nice. I've got 2 plates. I could probably wait a little bit. I'll probably find more.
Okay.
Fire sale is active. Buy station costs adjusted.
Well,
People are getting loadout down there.
Appears hostile. Target appears hostile.
Where'd they go?
they're still down.
Got, I finished your one.
Nice.
Behind me.
Stay vigilant. Surgeon's window is about to
They ran
close.
down there.
Target appears hostile. Fire sale done. Prices are back to normal.
Oh fuck. I was going to say grab a stealth. I mean, you still can.
No, I need 100 more, don't I?
Gas is inbound.
Cash bundle marked.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem, bud. I'm following you.
18 mine armed.
That's an AI.
Yeah, just don't fuck with them. They're very
Someone's
pointless.
killing an AI down there. Yeah. Oh shit, grenade. They suck, dude.
Someone was landing south from me.
So it's still AI, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
They must have landed there. Oh, that's a player. I thought that was AI.
Where?
Behind me, like directly that way.
Spot me. I gotta heal. I gotta heal
Okay.
like big time.
Did they light you up?
Yeah. Look at my health. Yeah. Oh my god, your footsteps scared the shit out of me.
Sorry, bro. trying to stay active, trying to stay moving. 2 people 14 meters away from me right now. I think they're underground. Oh, 3 over this way? Someone's like right below us right here. 6 meters are immediately below us. Yep, they're there.
Under hostile fire.
Where? Can you
10
ping?
remaining.
They're both dead.
Nice.
Gas is inbound. Marking new
I was gonna say, pick that shit up. I can use that plate box now if you still have it.
Quick.
Awesome, bro. Thank you. The fuck was that?
Enemy soldier nearby.
Nice perk. 44 meters. Straight ahead.
Copy sighted.
Where are these guys? I don't even see them.
Oh, do you have a mask at all?
No,
Fuck.
I don't.
Okay, I do. Shockingly.
Okay. If you drop me, never mind. The buy's downstairs.
Only 5 left.
The 2v2v1.
I like edging ring. It's like my new favorite way to play. Just to stay like right in the back on the outside of ring.
Gas is inbound.
Damn.
Marking new safe zone. Gas
They're
is
right
inbound.
up here.
Get your ass marked our rally point.
No, they're not. Shit.
They can't be. Someone's sniping at me.
Contract time expired. Target's been lost.
Copy targeted.
Gas is inbound.
Let's go,
Marking
bro.
new safe zone. Gas is
Keep
inbound.
moving for the safe zone.
2v2. No! Yeah, 2v2.
18 mine set.
There are both 2 people coming from this way.
Setting waypoint.
They're up there. They're up there.
Target appears hostile.
Let's go, bro!
Woo! First game,
game, dude.
yeah!
That's how you do it.
My friend owes me 2,500 bits!
Wait, what?
As soon as I finish drinking this water,
You're gonna open up the...
I'm gonna open up the spicy dew.
Stop poking it with your nose and just eat it, okay?
If I get 2,000 followers by the end of the year, yeah, I'm going to make an OnlyFans.
What are you at now?
100. I'm full screening this bitch.
I'm watching. As it used to be.
Okay, it just smells like normal Mountain Dew.
Just wait, dude. Did you try it?
It smells orangey.
It's not. Did you pour it into a cup?
Yeah, I did. It's not spicy at all.
Did you try it?
Yeah.
Well, I think it's like the most disgusting fucking thing I've ever tasted in my life. Harley brought home one from work one day, and I was like, almost threw up when I tried it.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
I don't, it's not bad. This Mountain Dew isn't bad.
Dude, it's terrible.
No, it's not.
It's so bad. Mountain Dew is so garbage.
Mountain Dew is good.
Mountain Dew is good, but like that Mountain Dew tastes like somebody gave Mountain Dew ass cancer and then you drank that. So, downed him in like 2 seconds.
Yeah, I'm
Second guy popped up.
my mom just came into my room and she's like, Alex, are you okay?
Yeah, Mom.
Yeah,
You
Mom.
fucking can't stop winning.
Okay, now I actually taste the spice. Mountain Dew Flaming Hot, sponsor me. Just that soda. I want you to sponsor me.
Yeah, they should actually. It's a good choice because you're the only one on the planet that likes it.
Same spot.
Yeah.
I have an idea for like the tall buildings like these, like
Towers?
Yeah.
What do you call it?
Call them Rapunzel.
Rapunzel. I feel like that's harder to. Oh, I did. Okay, I'm just gonna stealth.
No. Okay.
I already did it. No, you don't want to come out here. There's an armored truck, or there was actually.
Also,
I
someone
don't know what
is
happened
down
with the
here.
automatons.
Someone is
Okay.
down here.
I'm coming. I don't see anyone.
I hear them though.
Sometimes it sounds like people upstairs are down here.
Enemy radar jammer detected in your area.
I've got a radar
I've
jammer
kill
as
chain.
well.
I've kill chain. Pick that baby up.
What does that do?
It's kill chain. I've no idea, but it's a perk. Pick that up
Someone
too.
could use that.
That I know what that does. Yeah, I have tracker, tune-up, and kill chain now.
Enemy UAV
Ooh.
active.
Someone's getting shot at right next to me. Oh, I just killed someone.
How?
They just dropped down in front of me, and then I murdered them.
Okay.
They came through that tunnel and I killed them.
Got your request. Let it go.
That's probably a good cluster.
That was not a good cluster.
You blocked off that tunnel for long enough for us to...
Enemy UAV
Reposition.
Plate up, bro. You need it.
Oh shit. Yeah, you're right.
Do you want to go up to keg?
Oh yeah.
Take this.
Okay, I'm just going to... Oh shit, yeah.
You used your cluster
Yeah,
already,
that's right,
so
that's right.
Enemy UAV active.
Go into the roof. I thought people were shooting at me, but I didn't get shot.
More
Oh,
enemies active.
Behind
Kill 'em
us.
all. Friendly loadout drop on the way.
who is it? I can't even... Oh, do you want to go for that?
I'm...
People on it, people on it.
Target appears hostile.
They have riot shields. They ran to drop house. Are you in the clock tower?
Yeah. People are on my ass.
They've got me targeted.
Where are they?
I don't know. They're far. They're not like in this little area. They're like, I think they're over there.
Have a target location.
Oh, do you want to go for loadout?
Yes, but let's be mindful of drop house when we do.
Rally point set.
Someone is over there.
I got hit with a thermite grenade. His buddies on me. Good shit.
Sorry about that.
Pick up that.
Have eyes on gas.
Oh, I already
Gas is
have one.
moving.
Okay. I hip fired and I killed the guy. Okay, I thought that was a person's head. You want to try to go towards the... Oh. People coming out of caves. People coming out of caves. Killed one.
Taking fire.
Enemy UAV active.
Did you throw down bouncing betties?
No, it did not. Hack them, hack them.
Enemy soldiers
I can't.
nearby.
I can.
That's a kill. Safe zone relocated. Allied precision airstrike incoming. Be aware.
They're shooting you. Nice, nice.
You aren't done yet.
Taking fire.
Dang, where are you getting shot at from?
Resurgence will be gone.
I see them.
Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal. Allied cluster strike arriving.
Dang it, now I'm getting shot at from Lighthouse. Or from somewhere near Lighthouse.
Oh, I saw them. Right by the tree. Or right by the mound of dirt.
Damn it, dude!
Keep moving for the safe zone. Targets painted for airstrike.
This is Phoenix 3. Strike inbound.
Okay, I love that I'm taking damage
No
and
enemy
my
hits on
gas
that
mask
one.
is going down.
10 remain. Victory is within reach.
There's people like right in front of me. Dude, I cannot fucking move. I'm just pinned on by like 3 teams. There's a team up there,
Target appears
and then there was a team like right over here that I saw last.
Target no longer available. Make your actions count.
Negative. Cancel that.
Gas is inbound. Marking new
Right in front of me,
safe
right in front of me.
He downed me, but he's hurt.
Heavy cluster strike. Watch your head.
Good shit. Dude, this team on the roof wants us dead.
I know
need
they
plates?
do.
Armor there.
Do you have any?
I have some, yeah, but I just need some. And they're not gonna get off the roof either.
Do you want me to be a distraction?
No, they actually can't really shoot that well, which is good for us. I'm just kind of, the plan is to just let someone else kill him at this point. And I think that's already happening.
Allied UAV overhead. Hunt
Nice.
them
Okay, they're
down.
all on winery. Getting a
got-
self-res.
I bought a self. And I
they're
bought a
all
cluster. I
fighting.
bought a cluster as well.
It's just them there.
Have a target location.
We should stay here, though,
I'm
I
gonna
think.
cluster it.
Okay. I don't know if you'll get anyone. I think they might all be... I'm gonna guess is that one team's on roof and one team's in basement.
Gas is inbound. Marking
Okay,
new safe
okay.
zone.
Okay. This is good.
Bounty target has been marked. End them.
I got EOD. I got EOD. No.
I'm watching this way. I got a ping. 48 meters straight ahead of me. 47 meters, 1 dot. 40 meters, 3 dots. 37 meters. I think they're in this house.
Don't
20
go for it. Don't.
Taking fire.
Oh, they see me. One as a fucking sniper.
Only 5 left. Get to the new safe zone. Gas is closing in. The bounty target is down. Marvelous. You've got gas moving in.
Coughing?
Mate, that's me. That's me.
Okay. It's 2v2.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Oh, well, I got hacked. .39 meters towards the building.
Contact.
He's got a
Oh my
fucking
god.
riot shield, bro.
Frag on the way. Hey, come on.
Get to the new safe zone. Gas is closing in.
Okay, riot shield's down.
Losing ground.
Moving for
Move
the
it.
safe zone.
Behind you, behind you!
Allied cluster strike. All enemy teams.
2 in a row! Easy, dude.
Easy dubs, man.
Put that riot shield up, bitch! Look out!
This is going on YouTube again.
Yeah, dude, 2 wins in a row. Second part 2.
2 in a row, part 2, but in reverse. This time you carried me.
Dude, we're so good. We're so good
are.
at this game.
Dude, my friend owes me $50 right now.
As far as I'm concerned.
As far as I'm concerned, 2 wins in a row.